You've finished dozens of books, watched hundreds of videos, and if someone stopped you right now and asked you to explain any of it, really explain it, you'd stall. That's not a memory problem. It's not even a discipline problem. It's that nobody ever taught you the difference between taking information in and actually owning it. Here's what almost nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't learn by receiving. It learns by rebuilding. Reading a sentence and understanding a sentence feel identical in the moment. That's the trap. Your eyes move, your brain nods along, and you walk away thinking you learned something. You didn't. You just visited it. Real learning happens somewhere else entirely. In the moment you try to explain the idea without the book in front of you, and you freeze on the exact part that mattered most. That freeze isn't failure. That's the map. It's showing you precisely what you don't understand yet, which is more useful than 100 more pages of comfortable reading. So here's the shift. Stop finishing books. Start interrogating them. After every chapter, close it and try to say the core idea out loud in one sentence, like you're explaining it to someone who has never heard of it. If you can't, you don't move forward. You reread that part until you can. Do this enough times, and something strange happens. You stop collecting facts and start building a structure, one idea locking into the next, holding weight, connecting to things you learned months ago. That structure is what people mistake for intelligence. It isn't. It's just someone who stopped skimming and started rebuilding. You don't need to read more this year. You need to actually keep one thing you already read.